Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday. As you can see here, Tuesday, October 4th, my portfolio did not fare so well today. In the red, you can see early morning hours trading here, kind of up and down, and starting a little bit before noon here, kind of turned for the worse here. At one point getting down to almost negative $93, $94 here, before coming up a bit before market close, but overall, lost about $57 or so not a great day trading. Just sitting right above 135 overall for my portfolio. And as I scroll down through some of my securities here, you can see kind of a red day all over. There's only a few stocks that are actually in the green. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, Bank of America, BA, let's see, Ford and GM, my automotive stocks were in the green here, but just ticked up a little tiny percent. Those are only representing maybe 30-40 cents in my overall portfolio. Kind of going down here to the bottom of my stocks here, some of my financials, BOFI, HBAN, Bank of the Internet, and Handshare didn't do too bad today, but again, that's just a very, very small proportion of my overall total portfolio, as I only have a couple shares of each of those. Apple and AMD performed okay today. By okay, I mean not in the red. They didn't trend up by a considerable margin whatsoever. But yeah, kind of a red day today. And as I would go to my month overview, I kind of want to show you guys this. It's been a really volatile market over the last month or so. At one point, getting up almost $70 and then down almost over $100 actually. Up again, $70, $80 and then down, $60 here. So it's been kind of jumping all over the place. I think this has to do I think the volatility has to do because of two things here. The Fed and their talk about raising the interest rate. A lot of investments, traditional investments like bonds and bond funds, they really rely on the interest rate. The higher the interest rate, the more money those investors will make. So when it's low, those investors kind of go into other sectors of the market, notably high dividend yielding stocks. And as the interest rate goes up, those stocks are going to be sold off, hence the price will go down, and those investors will go back to those safer investments. The other part of this is the election cycle coming up. So, as we all know, Hillary-Trump election, it's within 2 months here. I don't know exactly. I think it might be 48 days or something like that. So, I think that's really getting some investors scared here. They're not quite sure what the market's going to be doing. And because of that, it's just kind of an up and down market. That's really what I think anyway. Those are the two main drivers. There's probably something else out there. If you guys know of anything, let me know. But it's kind of volatile. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should just hold some of my money in cash. They always say cash is king on Wall Street, and that might be what I need to do right now. Kind of hold my money through the election cycle, and then hopefully by September. Well, no. I was going to say September of next year, but that's way too far off. Probably by December of this year, the interest rate is going to go up. I think it's going to go up once this year and maybe a couple times next year. So maybe December, and then maybe, April and September next year. I'm not exactly sure how the Fed is going to be doing that. If anybody has ideas about that, let me know. Like I said, I'm a new investor. I don't have a lot of experience year in and year out of what happens at the end of the year. Especially with the Fed cycles here, raising and lowering interest rates. If that's on a set schedule, or that's more of them just holding, impromptu meetings and getting together with their, I'm assuming some financial folks, experts they have, their particular circle. I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys that volatility here and update you on my portfolio here. So again, overall down a bit here in the red, lost about $60 or so today, sitting right above 135. So let me know how you guys did, and let me know about the volatility, and if I'm halfway right about that, if I'm kind of on point, or it's something else that's driving that volatility. And I know after reading a few articles that the fall is typically the most volatile. August, September, October, market gets really volatile in these particular months, especially with the third quarter stuff coming out as well. So yeah, kind of let me know what you guys did or are thinking about doing moving forward into the fall fourth quarter here. As always, if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. Really helps the channel out a bit, trying to grow it. I love doing these videos, learning a ton about the market and how to invest and kind of some of the pitfalls and things to avoid and some of the things to do and kind of focus on. So appreciate everybody's input so far. Go ahead and like a few videos. Like I said, leave some comments either directly with the videos or just to me, personal message. Either way, I'll get back to you guys. So again, I just wanted to give you guys an update here, my thoughts on the recent market volatility, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.